Hi guys, welcome back. Right, today I'm going to try and restore this beautiful little piece of metal furniture. Now it's like a little table like this, but this actually fits on top of there. Now this bit's been out in the garden, don't know why, but it's been out in the garden, it's got loads of rust on. So I'm going to try and repaint it so I can have it back into the house. So keep watching and see how it turns out. This just looks like it's surface rust, so with my, I think it's a 120 grit paper, I'm just going to sand this off. So you can tell there I've cleaned off, and that's all the rusty bit here. So I've got it to this. That's a lot better, a lot smoother. So now I've got to clean all that to be the same. So this is what we've done, and we've taken all the top surface rust off, and it actually looks pink. So good job on there. So next we need to do this one. So I'm going to sand down this one because it's got some like bits of rust spots on there as well. So let's do that one. Now with an old damp little cloth, I'm just going to wipe all of it over just to get any last little bit of debris off. See, it's still coming off. That's why you just need to give it a nice good wipe over. Now leave it to fully dry, and then we can start putting our primer on. So now that we've sprayed this with the primer, I actually thought that I had 2 cans and I was going to spray all this, but I ran out of the primer. So I just used a paint primer, so I've just primed all that. On the top and on the bottom I'm going to put this roll. It's like a marble thing where it just sticks to the top and the bottom. That's what I'm going to do on there to make it look a bit more luxurious. And then I've got this spray paint, it's silver, so I'm going to do the cage in it and the legs and maybe the frame round here. So this was from Poundland and this was £2.50. So now I'm going to fit the top. So I've got my little vinyl sheet in here, made myself a little template which will fit into there. I'm just going to place it on top because it's easier to do it this way. And we're just going to mark out where it is. Then we'll cut this out and we'll place it on top. Looking nice. I've made another template for the bottom. Do exactly what we did before. So here is the end result, and I think it's turned out absolutely amazing, and it's like repurposed this old piece of furniture. So it just goes to show that don't throw anything away, trying to reuse or repurpose, you know, revamp it. That's the top cage, so that's turned out really well. And now this can be a drinks little station. I can put all the bottles of alcohol down there, some posh glasses. It could be a makeup station. It can be anything that I want. But I think inside here, I'm just going to put some little plants inside here because it's going to go in my conservatory in here. So let's pop that in. So I've put all my little plants in and the little decoration at the bottom, and I absolutely love it. So if you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and then don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next video.